a nutrients that the body needs in small amounts to function and stay healthy. Sources of vitamins are plant and animal food products and dietary supplements. Some vitamins are made in the human body from food products. Vitamins are essential organic compounds that are needed in small amount in the diet, both to prevent deficiency and to support optimal health. It must be a vital, organic substance that is only necessary in extremely small amounts. It cannot be manufactured by the body in sufficient quantities to sustain life, so it must be supplied by diet. Vitamins are the naturally occurring organic compounds required in minute amounts for the maintenance and normal growth of the life. Vitamins are organic nutrients that are required in small quantities for a variety of biochemical functions and which generally cannot be synthesized in the body and must be supplied by the diet. Vitamins are organic compounds that are needed in small amounts for the maintenance of normal metabolism functions. Most vitamins cannot be synthesized by the body, but are found naturally in food obtained from plants and animals. The lack of specific vitamins leads to distinctive deficiency states such as beriberi, rickets, scurvy, and xerophthalmia, or to conditions without definitive symptoms. Chemically unrelated organic compounds that are essential for normal metabolism cannot be synthesized, therefore must be ingested. Nutrients that our body does not make on its own. Thus we must obtain them from the foods we eat, or via vitamin supplements. They are essential for providing good health and are necessary for many life functions. A vitamin is an organic compound that is essential for the normal growth and functioning of living organisms. Vitamins are required in small amounts and play a key role in various biochemical processes, including metabolism, immune function, and cell repair. Since most vitamins cannot be synthesized by the body in sufficient quantities, they must be obtained from the diet or supplements. There are essential vitamins, which are classified into two groups. Fat-soluble vitamins, vitamins A, D, and K, which are stored in the body's fatty tissues. Water-soluble vitamins, vitamin C and B vitamins, such as B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, folate, which are not stored in large amounts and must be consumed regularly. Each vitamin has specific functions, and deficiencies in certain vitamins can lead to various health issues. Vitamins are a group of organic compounds that organisms need in small amounts to maintain essential physiological functions. They are vital for growth, metabolism, and overall health, but, unlike macronutrients, such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, vitamins do not provide energy directly. Instead, they aid in processes like energy production, immune defense, and tissue repair. Minerals are those elements on the earth and in foods that our bodies need to develop and function normally. Those essential for health include calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, iron, zinc, iodine, chromium, copper, fluoride, molybdenum, manganese, and selenium. The minerals form only a small portion of the total body weight. They form only 7% of the composition of human body. Many of these minerals are widely distributed in foods so that a well-balanced diet will supply them in sufficient quantities. The mineral classified into types: principal and trace elements. The principal elements constitute in our body is 70 to 80% of the body in the form of inorganic material. Minerals are naturally occurring, inorganic substances with a definite chemical composition and a crystalline structure. They are formed through geological processes and can be found in rocks, soil, and sediments. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks and are classified based on their chemical composition and crystal structure. Examples of minerals include quartz, feldspar, and calcite. Minerals are solid, naturally occurring substances that form through geological processes and have specific chemical compositions and physical properties. They are typically inorganic, meaning they are not derived from living organisms, and possess an ordered atomic arrangement, which gives them a crystalline structure. Each mineral is characterized by unique properties such as hardness, color, luster, cleavage, and density, which help in their identification. Minerals can be sifted into different groups based on their chemical composition, including silicates, carbonates, oxides, sulfates, and halides. They are essential components of Earth's crust and play critical roles in various industrial, economic, and biological processes. For example, minerals like gold and silver are valuable for economic purposes, while others like calcium and iron are crucial for human health. Water is the main constituent of cells, tissues, organs, and is vital for life. Approximately 70% of the body is water. Water has numerous roles in the human body. It acts as a building material, as a solvent, reaction medium and reactant, as a carrier for nutrients and waste products, in thermoregulation, and as a lubricant and shock absorber. The regulation of water balance is very precise, and a loss of 1% of body water is usually compensated within 24 hours. The body is made up of 50 to 75% water. Water forms the basis of blood, digestive juices, urine and perspiration, and is contained in lean muscle, fat and bones. Water helps you to maintain body temperature, metabolize body fat, aids in digestion, lubricates and cushions organs, transports nutrients, and flushes toxins from your body. Major component of blood plasma. Solvent for nutrients and waste products. Necessary for hydrolysis of nutrients. Aids in chemical reactions. Transports nutrients and wastes in blood. Needed for hydrolysis and digestion. Lubricates joints. Regulated body temp by evaporation of perspiration. Serves as a shock absorber. Water is needed in the body for many reasons. Water is used to move nutrients through the digestive tract. Water acts as a diluter. Without sufficient water, fiber does not work. Fiber absorbs water, thus allowing waste products to move freely through the digestive tract, and thus preventing toxic waste from accumulating. The more fiber and water you consume, the better for your digestive tract. Water is a heat regulator. It helps the body temperature to stay the same, dissipating body heat through sweat. Water is a transparent, odorless, tasteless, liquid that is essential for most forms of life on Earth. It is a chemical compound made up of 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to 1 oxygen atom, H2O. Water exists in 3 states: liquid, water, solid, ice, and gas, steam or water vapor. It covers about 71% of Earth's surface, primarily in oceans, rivers, lakes, and glaciers, and it plays a crucial role in various biological, chemical, and ecological processes. Water is a vital substance for all living organisms and is involved in numerous physical, chemical, and biological processes. It has a high heat capacity, meaning it can absorb and store large amounts of heat without significantly changing temperature, which helps regulate Earth's climate. Water is also an excellent solvent, allowing it to dissolve many substances and making it essential for transporting nutrients and waste in living organisms. Water's molecular structure gives it unique properties, such as surface tension, which allows water droplets to form and supports small objects or organisms to float on its surface. Water cycles through the environment in a continuous process called the water cycle, which includes evaporation, condensation, and infiltration. This cycle ensures the redistribution of water across various ecosystems. In human society, water is used for drinking, agriculture, sanitation, industry, and recreation. Its availability and purity are critical for public health and environmental sustainability.